Welcome to QR Show. Today we will show you how to create a QR code for video. We'll use a tool called iMyFone QR Show. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of customization options. Let's go through it step by step. Firstly, visit the QR Show website. Click Dashboard and then log in or sign into your account. Once launched the dashboard, click Create QR Code and then select the video option. Click the Add button to upload your video file. You are allowed to set the QR code to be private or public. Then give a name to your QR code and click Generate. Once the QR code is created, you can click Customize to personalize the appearance of the QR code. Finally, you can download the QR code in the format and size you prefer. Even better, you can check the scan statistic of the QR code. That's it. Let's get creative and make some magic happen with QR Show.